This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is for educational purposes only.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am gonna be telling you how you can install RedHawk in Termux and use it. So let's start. RedHawk is a all-in-one tool for information gathering, vulnerability scanning, and crawling. It is a must-have tool for all penetration testers. You can perform basic scan which includes site title, site IP, George location etc. To install RedHawk in Termux, you first need to install some packages like Python, Python 2, Git and PHP. To install these packages type the following command. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to install if you are installing it for first time. Now git clone the tool. The link for the tool is given in description box below, so do check it out. Now open the tool directory and give permission to the tool using following command. Now run the tool using PHP. Here you will have to enter the website and select HTTP or HTTPS. Now you need to select the option of your choice. I will select full scan. This process may take a lot of time, so be patient. As you can see, we have got all the necessary information needed about the website including site title, IP address, subdomains and geolocation also. So guys, this was all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such technical videos.